Hi, so welcome to my presentation on the Office Visit application. So this Cloudspokes challenge was basically to combine two previous challenges together, one of which was a UI for the Office Visits application, and the second one was integration with DocuSign. So I've got an installation guide which is also attached to this challenge, which goes through all the sort of prerequisite steps for setting up the application. So putting in some settings for the web service for DocuSign and setting up some test records. So this presentation is really just going to focus on functionality and giving you a quick demo of what I've done. So what we're seeing here is the standard visitor home page, which is basically for pre-registered visitors. So typically when getting to this screen, the first thing you'll do is select the Office from the cog icon in the top right hand corner. So you're presented with a drop down, which is basically the offices that are in the Salesforce application. Select your office, and then you've got two options, which was to sign in, or if you've already pre-registered, you can enter the code and complete the registration. So I'll go for a sign in. So this is basically following exactly the same functionality that was delivered in the previous challenge. So just enter your name, company, email address, phone number, who you're here to see, and select reason. Click next. At this point, it basically calls DocuSign, transfers your information over, asks you to review the document, and you hit sign. So this is just a basic template that I've put in. Confirm the signing, and then what it'll do is take you back into the Visualforce page. Welcomes you, and as before, you've got 15 seconds before it automatically forwards you back to the home page, or you can just click done. You can obviously, if you've pre-registered, you can enter a code as before. That will take you back to the final confirmation screen. You can obviously go and be a pre-registered visitor. So finish the screen. So pre-registration button. Again, same as before. Just enter your details. And again, what it'll do is it will take the DocuSign, start, sign, confirm, and then the confirmation code will be emailed to you so that you can enter it from the standard home page. All done. So in terms of changes in the application, so if I go back to Salesforce and let's go to the Visitors tab, all visitors. So I've basically merged in some of the fields from the DocuSign challenge. So we've got like the signature rejected fields. So if you when you're doing the DocuSign, you reject, it takes you back to the sign-in page. It'll check this box here so that you can tell that they've rejected the signature. They obviously have the option to change their details and submit it for signature again if they choose, but they could abandon it at that stage. if they choose to abandon it, obviously you end up with a sort of hanging record here. So obviously the signed incomplete won't be there, and the pre-registered flag won't be set. But I guess you might need a sort of batch task to kind of clean those up. What else have we got here? I think there's anything particularly else that was added. So I think really there's not too much else to show for presentation. Obviously, if you've seen the first challenge, the second challenge, you've pretty much seen it all. This is just putting it together. So I hope you like it. Obviously, if you've got any questions, you can fire them over to me. I'm more than happy to answer. Thanks.